Welcome to our updated tutorial on how to turn on restricted mode on YouTube. Restricted mode is a useful feature that allows you to filter out potentially mature or inappropriate content. Let's go through the steps together. Step 1. Open the YouTube app on your Android device. Look for the recognizable red play button icon and tap to launch the app. Step 2. Tap your profile picture located at the bottom of the screen. This will open your account settings. Step 3. Locate the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen. It looks like 3 vertical dots. Tap on it to access the settings menu. Step 4. In the settings menu, tap on General. This will take you to the general settings of the app. Step 5. Scroll down until you find restricted mode. Tap on it to access the restricted mode settings. Step 6. Finally, toggle the switch to the on position to turn on restricted mode. This will help filter out potentially mature or inappropriate content, making YouTube safer for all viewers. Congratulations! You have successfully turned on restricted mode on YouTube. Please note that while restricted mode can help filter out content, it may not be 100% accurate. It's always a good idea to monitor your own viewing experience or that of younger viewers. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. Enjoy a safer and more tailored YouTube experience.